Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the company can use the new address as a registered office. It must be a physical UK address. Once done, make sure directors have authorized the change, record a board resolution if your articles require it. You then gather the company number, the new address details, and the company's house authentication code or your gov. UK verify credentials. With these items ready, you'll save time when you submit the formal notification online or by post. You now submit the change via company's house web filing or postal form AD01. Online is faster and updates usually appear within 24 hours. When filling the form, enter the complete new registered office address exactly and include the company number and authentication code. If you use paper, sign and date the form. Ensure the signatory is a director or authorized officer. Once submitted, make a note to update stationery, bank records, HMRC, and any service providers to avoid missed mail. Once Company's House confirms the change, update your company stationery, bank mandate, HMRC records, and any registered service addresses. This prevents legal or tax correspondence delays. Make sure the confirmation email or letter is filed with company minutes. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check the rejection reason. Common issues are incorrect address format, missing signature, or wrong company number. Correct the specific error, then resubmit promptly. Keep proof of postage or screenshots for audit trail, and follow up if delays exceed expected processing times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.